Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Nearly 6 months after devastating floodwaters left sections of Old Pen and Chigwell in Hanover underwater, residents are still haunted by what's left behind. While there are signs of recovery, there are questions now being raised about whether the work done will withstand the next heavy rain. Our reporter Sandy Williams takes us back to a community caught between rebuilding and reliving.
Months after Hurricane Melissa left Chigwell and sections of Old Pen underwater and all but lost, life is creeping back. Where floodwaters once swallowed everything in sight, there is now movement. However, the memory still lingers. Trees, once full and green, now stand like skeletons, stripped down to dry branches. Houses abandoned, waiting for families who have yet to return. Watermarks on light poles tell a story words can hardly capture, but cutting through it all is a new road.
6 months ago, this very road was completely submerged, swallowed by floodwaters from Hurricane Melissa. In fact, last year, our team had to travel through an alternative route to get access to the community. Fast forward to now, the route is restored and the roadways seem to be freshly paved, returning easy access to the community.
I mean, it was pure pothole, and now people can drive it in safe. If you look at the road, it's raised, and the water table is they build it to one way, where the water can flow from off the road. Not second.
Vernon Ennis Sr. says while the flooding may never fully stop, the improvements could make a crucial difference.
This road is not going to stop the flooding, but hopefully some of the water on the road will minimize.
After losing his livestock and crops during the floods, millions of dollars washed away in a single event, Mr. Ennis Sr. is now starting over piece by piece. And as the community finds its footing, small victories are making big impacts.
It was so beautiful. Like I want to stay down, kind of like to them.
But even as the community reclaims its football field and roads have reopened, there is unease beneath the surface. Some residents believe the work, while welcome, is incomplete.
That kind of should have really get a wall. If you look underneath there, you can see that it's shell out underneath the side of the road. You understand? So it did need either a wall around there or it cut off. This section now, they don't close it to the bank. So if the water start dig, it go and take away the material. Gradually, plenty water come down here.
Others question whether enough consultation took place, arguing that local knowledge was overlooked.
They need to consult the people before they do certain things. May I pay tax? So they can't just come and show things from the people like that.
There are also fears that without proper drainage in key areas, the first heavy rain could expose weaknesses.
The other day when the first shower rain, it washed them all straight out into the road.
Still, for many, leaving is not an option.
And people say, I'm not living place. You swim and go here, my son.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.